Hey guys, what's up? I'm back with another YouTube video. I'm sorry it's been so long, but I've had a lot of other things on my hands, including school, summer camps, and other games. I've been getting sick of Fortnite, but you know, I'll always come back. But I got another glitch for you today. So if you grab a movement modulator and water and like any gun, you can like shoot really fast. Like if you have the like ×2 or 4 multiplier movement thing, you can shoot really fast. Like everything like gets a really big boost, and reloading also is quicker. It's pretty cool. And then like slow is like really weird. Reloading is slow. Shooting is slow. It's like cool. It's like this drum gun. Also, I figured out another little thing before I do anything. If you eat the mice flopper, you can get gold drum gun and gold LMG, which is not in creative right now, but just a little side note. So if you get the drum gun, you can shoot. If you like spam your trigger or whatever you click, if you just spam it really quick, you can shoot guns really quick. It's just a little something. This map is like all the mythics and creative so far. And with that, make sure you hit like and subscribe. Maybe turn on the bell to never miss another upload. And yeah. Have a nice day.